for Aisha, A for and A for ink.
Very good. Next.
S for Sifa, S for sunflower, S for small.
चलो.
K for Kurrat, K for kite, K for king.
Very good.
A for Afrin, A for apple, A for ant. S for Sadia, S for sun, S for set.
Very good.
T for Tasmin, T for tree, T for tiger.
Very good. Next.
J for Jia, J for joker, J for jam.
शाबाश.
S for Sadia, S for star, S for small.
Good. Next.
U for Vera, U for umbrella, U for uncle.
Very good. Next.
A for Afia, A for apple, A for ant. A for Asia, A for ant, A for apple.
Good.
B for Haya,
बदरे हया.
B for Badre Haya, B for ball, B for bat.
शाबाश.
Y for Yusra, Y for Yak, Y for Yach.
Good.
M for Muskan, M for mango.
Good.
M for Maria, M for mango, M for monkey. A for Afifa, A for ant.
Good. Next चलो कौन है?
T for Tasmia, T for tiger, T for tail. A for Asmat, A for all. N for Nida, N for name, N for nose.
Very good. मैमुना चलो. Next.
M for Maria, M for A for apple, A for T for Tasneem, T for tomato, T for tail.
Very good.
S for Siddiqa, S for sparrow, S for sheep.
Sheep. Very good. Next.
M for Muhammad Ali, M for money, M for mom.
Mom. Very good.
A for Alam, A for apple, A for apple.
And next.
N for Numan, N for name, N for neck.
Neck. चलो next कौन है?
M से Muhammad Ali, M से man.
Man. Good. Next.
Z for Zaifan, Z for zebra, Z for zip.
Zip. Very good. Next चलो कौन है?
A for Asad, A for apple, Z for zebra, Z for Z, Z for zebra, Z for zoo.
Zoo. Good. Next चलो कौन है?
R for Razan, R for red, R for rabbit.
Rabbit. Very good. Next.
B
सीधा पकड़ो. अल्फाबेट सीधा पकड़ो. हाँ.
B for Bakir, B for ball, B for banana.
Banana. Very good. बोल.
U for Umar, Q for umbrella.
Very good Umar.
A for Asia, A for ambulance.
A for apple. A for
Apple.
A for नेम क्या है तुम्हारा? नाम क्या है?
Atia.
अतिया. A for अतिया. चलो.
N for Nigar, N for nose, N for neck.
Neck. Very good.